Hey, what's up, y'all? Cool Ride Esquire here, coming to y'all live from my Cool Ride Esquire studio. About an hour ago, I did an installation. I got my Klock Werks windshield in. It's a 8.5-inch dark smoke windshield. Well, I went to go pick it up this past Saturday at JP Cycles down in Taylor, Michigan. It's about an hour and 40 minutes away. And I feel quite fortunate to have a JP Cycles so close. But they stock a lot of stuff, and they do stock a lot of Klock Werks windshields. So I thought I could just run down there and pick it up. But the specific one that I wanted was the 8.5-inch dark smoke. They didn't have that one in. They had plenty of others. Because that Klock Werks windshield comes in like a 10.5-inch, 8.5-inch, 6.5-inch, and I think a smaller size. And you got a clear, you got a light smoke, a dark smoke, and a black. So the guy that worked there, Joey, pretty nice guy. He went to the back to show me some other options. He brought out a bunch of different windshields, opened the boxes up, took the film off, all that, showed them to me. But in the end, I still decided on the 8.5-inch dark smoke. So what we did, we just went online right there in the store. He ordered it. It shipped on Monday, and I had it here at my house on Wednesday. So that's how fast it came. I shot an installation video for you guys, and to show you how easy it is to install. In fact, I think it only took maybe around about 5 minutes. I didn't time it, so it could be give or take a few minutes or a minute or two, but it was a pretty quick install. It only involved like 3 screws. The middle screw was the longest. The middle screw, I kind of loosened that up, and I completely took out the 2 outer screws, and then my windshield just popped right off. It wasn't my first rodeo. The windshield that I took off was an aftermarket windshield. It was a 10.5-inch, but it was an Amazon special. So I wanted something a little bit better. Klock Werks, from what I heard about that, it puts a bubble around you and your passenger as long as you get it at the right height. And 8.5 inches is right here where it's supposed to be for me. Also, I heard that you hear your radio better because of that bubble. So I wasn't able to test it out today because it's raining outside and it's kind of chilly. So on the next nice day, I'll ride around with it, and hopefully someday in the future, which I will, I'll get around to doing a review video and let you guys know how it worked. But for now, just enjoy this video and watch this installation process. All right. And once it's done, I think it looks really good on Hornet. So now he has a Klock Werks windshield on him, and I think it could be it for this summer. Not too sure. I may come across something else to do, but anyway, cool ride out, and enjoy the video.